Hi there! Today, I'm diving into the world of Korean skincare and breaking down this amazing routine step by step. If you're dreaming of healthy, glowing skin, stick around till the end of this video. Let's get started. Step 1. Cleansing is key. The foundation of any great skincare routine is proper cleansing. In Korean skincare, it's all about double cleansing. First, use an oil-based cleanser to melt away makeup and the grime from your day. Then, follow up with a water-based cleanser to deeply clean your skin. This step preps your skin perfectly for the rest of the routine. Step 2. Exfoliate for that glow. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and reveals brighter skin underneath. But don't overdo it. Once or twice a week is enough. Koreans often use chemical exfoliants because they're effective yet gentle. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Step 3. Tone it up. Toners are essential for balancing your skin's pH after cleansing and boosting the effectiveness of your next steps. Korean toners are super hydrating and soothing. You can apply it with a cotton pad or gently pat it into your skin with your hands. Step 4. Essence. Magic Essence is the heart of the Korean skincare routine. It's lightweight but deeply hydrating and revitalizing. This step is like giving your skin a big drink of water. Pure luxury. Step 5. Serum or ampule power. This step is all about targeting your skin's specific needs. Whether it's fine lines, dark spots, or hydration, there's a serum or ampule for you. These products are packed with concentrated goodness that makes a real difference over time. Step 6. Don't forget the eyes. The skin around your eyes is delicate and deserves some extra love. Apply a tiny amount of eye cream, about the size of a grain of rice, and gently tap it in. You'll notice a brighter, fresher look with regular use. Step 7. Moisturize for the wind seal in all that goodness with a moisturizer suited to your skin type. This keeps your skin hydrated and happy all day long. Korean moisturizers are usually lightweight and super skin-friendly. Step 8. Sunscreen always. In Korean skincare, sunscreen isn't optional. It's a must. Never skip sunscreen in your morning routine. It protects your skin from UV rays and prevents premature aging. Your future self will thank you, and that's it. With consistency and a little patience, you'll start to see amazing results. Treat your skin with care, and it will glow like never before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. See you in the next one. Bye for now.